Hi everyone, Umay Giona here, and today I'm going to be watching the music video for Horizon's new song, Sumayaw Sumunod. I'm so excited. It's been a while. I'm so sorry, Horizon. I've been caught up by all my BGYO stuff from April until like now, and I still have like one more ganap to go to sa Calgary. So I'm so sorry, but I'm really excited to see this. Oh, and I'm wearing my Marcus shirt that I got when I went to the Philippines. I think it was Marcus Global that sold these, but they're so cute. I got this in black and beige. I've worn the beige one during my birthday, and this is the first time I'm wearing the black one. But it's so cute! Marcus! Anyway, I'll watch the Tagalog one first, and then watch the Korean one. I was so surprised there's a Korean one. Like, what? But like, I'm assuming this is a song that we know, like, Sumayaw Sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon. Like, I feel like it would really suit Horizon, but I'll watch the Tagalog one first, because then I would be more familiar with the lyrics, but I'm excited to see how they did it in Korean. So, Tagalog one first, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Sumayaw Sumunod. Sumayaw Sumunod. Sumayaw Sumunod. Sumayaw Sumunod.
Oh, oh my god! Si Winston, sandali! Ang lakas! Wait lang! Wait! It's not! It's different! Wait lang. Hindi ko kaya! Wait! Okay, I was thinking like it would be like the actual song na Sumayaw Sumunod. Or maybe hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung verse noon. Kaya hindi ko din alam. Oh my gosh. Anyway, wait lang nga! Sandali! Ulit. Sandali! Grabe, una pa lang si Kyler eh. Kung poging bata eh. Oh my gosh! Tapos bigla si Vinci kaagad. Tapos nakita ko si Horizon. Si Winston! Nala, na-hyper na si Ante. Parang sobrang tagal ko na silang hindi nakita. Na hindi ako nakanood ng anything Horizon. Tapos, bigla nakita ko sila. Si Marcos, ang laki-laki na. Si Jeremy, ang laki-laki na. Like, ha? Anyari? Sorry na, ito na talaga. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sumayaw Sumunod. Sumayaw Sumunod.
Sumayaw Sumunod.
Sumayaw Sumunod.
Darn it, I really like Kyler's voice. Loko-loko na ng bebe! Oh my gosh! Lo! Napaka-boyos! Oh, di. Ito talaga. Oh, ito nga. Binago na yung arrangement. Hoy, ang pogi ni Winston! Oh my God! Teka lang. Nanginginig ako. Ay! Vinci! Ang pogi! Ba't wala akong kaklaseng ganyan kapogi dati? Charot lang. I love you guys. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of NCT Dreams last love. Majimak shot sarang. Baby kid. So, Jeremy na yun. Ano ba yan? Ba't ang puti? Ayan, si Kim, sorry. Uy, ang pogi. Yeah. Ang pogi ni Vinci. Actually, kada ganun, pogi. Sumayaw sunod ka sa indak ng panahon. Kasabay ng mga bagong pagtugin ngayon. Sumayaw sunod ka sa indak ng panahon. Nakisama. Grabe sa vocals. You know what? This is probably the same place that they shot like that NCT music video. NCT Dream. Kaya ko to i-dance challenge. Kung ganun-ganun lang. Grabe, may rap pa. Uy, ang daming Kim! si Jeremy ba yun? Ano ba yan? Wala, kala ko si Kim. Nawawala na ako sa sarili. Sandali! Sandali! Bigla kayo mag-harmonize. Si Kim yung kanina, di ba? Mr. Kim Jeremy. Ano ba? Sabi sa'yo si Kim yun eh. Si Kim nga ba? Nawawala sa sarili. Ay, nawala na naman ako. Ano ba yun? Na-distract na lang. Yung harmonization. Hoy! Gusto ko na makita si Vinci. Naiyak ako. Ewan ko sa'yo. Isa ka pa. Ay, ay, ay. Grabe, they really transformed the song. It doesn't even sound like Sumayaw Sumunod, like the original. Oy! Grabe, sino man nakaisip ng buhok ni Winston? Gusto ko lang mag-usap tayo. Uy, ano ba? Si Rister. Uy, ang cute! Second single. With Anchor. That's so cute. Parang di ko na kaya panoodin yung isang music video. Like, grabe! Like, alam mo yun, pag nagsa-solo shots sila, tapos biglang, chuk, 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 ano ba? Rister, Jeremy. Yung ganun, di ba? Parang, ang pogi. Parang hindi pa ako nakaka-get over dun sa shock ko na ang pogi ng isang member, tapos isang member ulit, pogi ulit, tapos isang member ulit, pogi ulit. Like, lo. But like I said earlier, they really transformed the song. Like, they made it their own. I was expecting it to be more, like, parang homage, ganun, na, oh yeah, because we're Filipino, and this is a really famous Filipino song. We're just gonna remake it, you know, like, sing it under the Horizon name. But no, they actually changed the arrangement so much that it almost sounds like a completely new song. Like, magugulat ka na lang bigla na, sumayaw, sumunod ka sa Indak na ang Panahon. Yung pag dumating sa part na yun, parang, oo nga pala, ito nga pala yung song na yun. But they really changed it. Tapos yung may rap pa, like, ang angas. Oh, good job. Akala ko kasi talaga, parang, yun, remake nga lang siya. So, that's what I was expecting going into this. But like, wow, they really changed it. Good job. I don't know what it's gonna sound like in Korean though. So, Teka lang. Yung puso ko. Okay, so may also sumunod the actual version, the Korean version. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Sumayaw Sumunod.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Sumayaw Sumunod. Sumayaw Sumunod.
Oh my gosh. And I like that part. Marcus 내일 끝나고 학교로 놀러 갈게. That was Marcus texting. After school tomorrow, I'll go to you. And we can hang out. Okay, there's no English. Okay. 갑자기, Teka lang, binabasa ko pa eh. 갑자기 다들 셀카 뭐야? Why are you guys all of a sudden sending selfies? 내일 끝나고 학교로 놀러 갈게. That was Marcus saying that. No, 전학하고 얼마 만이야 이게. Yeah, they had it earlier na si Marcus yung lumipat ng school. So, sabi dito ni Winston, ni Vinci pala, it's been a while since you moved schools that you transferred. 교문에서 escort 해줄게. I will, sabi ni Raster, I'll escort you at the gate, school gate. This is Kim saying, 내일 발야구, foot soccer, 야구, foot volleyball, 야구. Okay, my brain's not working. But it's like basta yung sinisipa siya na volleyball. 이번엔, this Winston, 이번에는 이긴다. I will win this time. Oh my gosh, is this gonna be the photo cards? I want them. I want them. Okay, tapos yun na sabi ni Kyler, 갑자기 나도 셀카 뭐야? Why are you all sending selfies all of a sudden? 너도 올려 빨리. And then Jeremy says, like, you should, like, send your selfie too. 나는 셀카 대신, instead of a 셀카, I will. What? It was like a horizon. It was like the sky. Oh, so maybe this one is not gonna be a performance video. Yung isa kasi kanina parang mas performance siya. Siguro this one has a story. Teka, umpisa ko ulit na ano kasi ako na-distract ako dun sa mga pinagsasabi nila sa chat nila.
수면 수문은 수면 수문은 수면 수문은
나랑 같이 춤추자. 샤야야 샤야야
어두운 밤 하늘 별빛 아래 우리 둘이 만들어가는 secret 요동치는 맘 아무도 모르게 그저 너에게만 꺼내다
That's cute. Oh my gosh, do they have a phone endorsement now? No, they're with Galaxy, aren't they? Oh, you know what? Their Korean is improving. Oh, and they still kept the Tagalog. Nice. I really love that they're doing this. Vinci. Oh, okay. Uy, ang pogi ni Kim! It actually works in Korean, wow. And then it goes slower. Ang pogi pala ni Vinci magano, naka-jersey. I love that this one has more of a story as opposed to the other one. Na more performance. At least magkaiba talaga yung music video. Hindi siya yung language lang, diba? Uy, Winston! Teka na, favorite. Kaso walang ano si Vinci, no? Wala siyang Korean part. Do they have a dance challenge for this already? Zero! Pang ano talaga to sa Kyler eh, pang music video. No!
Susunod ulit. Sumayaw sumunod.
Oh, that's so cute. 다음에도 같이 춤을 추자. Oh my gosh. Uy. I really like it. Like, alam mo, isang taon lang kausap. Alam nyo, sobrang nag-improve talaga yung Korean nila. Kasi, before, nung sa Lucky, it was hard for me to hear kung ano yung lyrics na pag pinapakinggan ko lang as is. Like, nung pinanood ko yung music video, parang medyo mahirap. Si Vinci was really good. Actually, his pronunciation was great. But the other members, you can hear na kailangan talaga pa nilang mag-improve, which is fine. It was their first song na Korean talaga. It was their first Korean release, right? Yung Lucky. But in this one, like, even the rap, I understood what they were saying. Like, malinaw na malinaw siya. Like, hindi pa siya perfect or like fluent sounding, which is fine. They're not Koreans anyway. But like, I can hear it na pag pinakinggan ko yung song, alam ko kung ano yung lyrics na kinakanta nila. Like, that's how clear their rap parts, especially. Like, yung kay Jeremy, like, gulat ako, medyo mabilis nga yung rap niya, pero as in, tak, 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 narinig ko talaga yung bawat syllables na sinabi niya in Korean. So, good job, guys. Like, you really improved so much. Like, good job. And ang galing talaga ng pagkaka-transform nila sa song. Like, hindi, grabe. Hindi ko siya in-expect na ganito yung magiging sound niya. So, that was such a nice surprise. Sana maging malakas to sa Korea. I always appreciate Horizon having that na may English or especially Tagalog parts sa kanta nila. Like, sa Lucky kasi more English. Yung it's more Konglish yung lyrics. But here, talagang siya, Tagalog yung chorus. So, it's like saying na, yeah, we are Filipino. We are promoting in Korea, but we are Filipino. And this is the kind of music that we have in the Philippines. So, I think that this is a good step, like, next step for them into their career. So, ayun. Like, sana mag-hit because nakaka-proud in that way. Like, I think ipo-perform nila to sa music shows, right? So, everybody's gonna hear the Tagalog in their songs. Like, and it's the chorus. So, everyone's gonna be singing like, sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon. Like, oh my gosh, that's so big. The choreo seems easy enough. So, kung may dance challenge, I'll try. Kasi parang ganun lang yun. Diba? Shaya, shaya. Feeling ko kaya ng tita, moves ko kung ganun yung dance challenge. So, kung meron, I'll try it. But, yeah, that's all for me today. I'm so sorry ang ingay ko nung una. Medyo kumalma naman ako dun sa Korean na music video kasi nag-focus na ako dun sa listening to the Korean parts. Pero, I'm so sorry. You guys know me by now. Like, you shouldn't have your earphones on or like, just have the volume down. Pag-reaction ko yung pinapanood nyo. But like, oh, this was so much fun. I miss Horizon so much. Let me know. Hindi ko nang talaga alam kasi kung ano yung papanoorin kasi hindi nga ako updated. Like, well, they are very busy. They have so much stuff going on. So, I don't know. Pero wala pa akong napapanood actually. So, just let me know kung ano yung papanoodin ko from Horizon. At least alam ko kasi otherwise hindi ko alam. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of the music video and the song down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!